Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to describe the process of lipid formation in the body. And the process we are describing here is the de novo pathway of lipogenesis, which means the formation of lipid or the synthesis of lipid in the body from excess of carbohydrate and protein that we eat. So as we know that we obtain fats from our food, but these are not only obtained from the diet, the fats we have in the body are not only obtained from the diet, but also obtained from lipogenesis in the body, and which means the formation of synthesis of neutral fats, that is the triacylglycerides, from carbohydrate and protein present in excess of body needs. The lipogenesis occurs in three steps. First is the formation of glycerol and the formation of fatty acids. Then the activation of these fatty acids and glycerols, and then the esterification of these fatty acids with the glycerol in the endoplasmic reticulum. All the enzymes for the formation of lipids are present in the cytoplasm of the cell, and the cell where this lipogenesis is occurring are the liver cells and the adipose cell. So from the glucose, when glucose breakdown, that is the process of glycolysis, one of the intermediate that is formed is G3P, that means the 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, and this is the source of glycerol. And then after this G3P, pyruvate is the end product of glycolysis. All steps are occurring in the cytoplasm of liver cells. This pyruvate forms acetyl CoA, which is 2-carbon compound, high energy 2-carbon compound, by the process called oxidative decarboxylation, which may enter in the mitochondria and then re-enter in the cytoplasm, and then this acetyl CoA participate in the formation of lipid or the fatty acids. Acetyl CoA forms mainly the palmitate, which is C18 compound, and this fatty acid the C18 palmitate or the palmitic acid is esterified by the glycerol in the endoplasmic reticulum to form the triglyceraldehyde or TAGs or triacylglycerides. These are the steps of the formation of fatty acid. First of all, the acetyl CoA is catalyzed by the enzyme acetyl CoA carboxylase, and malonyl CoA is formed. So one carbon is added up here in this step, and 3-carbon compound malonyl CoA is formed. Then another protein, the acyl carrier protein, is added up to this malonyl CoA to form malonyl ACP compound. One carbon dioxide is removed and 3-ketoacyl ACP is formed. From 3-ketoacyl ACP, 1 hydrogen is added and 3-hydroxyacyl ACP is formed. From 3-hydroxyacyl ACP, 1 water molecule is removed to form elyonyl ACP, and elyonyl ACP, then 1 hydrogen molecule is added up to form acyl ACP compound. In this way, 2 carbons are added each in each cycle. So number of repeated cycles occurs. Ultimately, C18 palmitate is formed, and then this C18 palmitate enters the endoplasmic reticulum, where it is ester bond is formed with glycerol and to form the triacyl glyceraldehydes. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching.